If you're watching this, it's because you're awesome, and you're about to learn something that makes you even more awesome. My hashtag Insanefriends. It's great to see you again. I'm glad you're here. If you're here, it's because you wanted to learn a little bit more about affiliate links. I've gotten a lot of questions about affiliate links. The most recent was from Ken at Easy2 Tech Tips and Tricks, etc., etc. He's in California, over there on the West Coast. We are on the East Coast over here. And if you've gotten to this point and you're thinking about affiliate links, it's because you've been following the steps that I talked about in other videos with number one, choosing your niche, which means, something that you know something about, some kind of field that you've worked in for a while, something that you've been studying, something that you have some knowledge so there won't be such a learning curve. Two, build a platform, either a blog or a YouTube channel or a Facebook page or something that you can grow an audience on. And three, grow your audience. Now, you should have been growing your audience for quite a while now. Just like Ken has with his YouTube page, he's been growing an audience for a while in a niche that he really knows a lot about because he does a lot of home improvement, repair, and stuff like that, remodeling. And that's how we came to this question. He's working with some tools and he has a specific saw blade that he's using for a specific task, and he's trying to explain to his viewers exactly what blade it is, when it would be so much easier for him and his viewers if he could just put an affiliate link right there, very handily click on the link and it take them straight to it. Now, if you've got a makeup channel or something like that, it's the same kind of thing. You can see here we've got some makeup here where my wife has a makeup channel. Actually, she's got more than that on her channel, but this is the makeup that she actually uses. I know you probably don't do with makeup, you're probably doing tools, you're probably doing stuff like Ken is, but the example is exactly the same. You should stick with something that you actually buy yourself, that you actually truly believe in, and just be honest with your viewers about what the product is and what it does. That way you can get more and more repeat sales. You can make really good friends with your audience. It make a win-win situation. Now with Ken, he could look up the correct saw and he could find that. But before you can do any of this, when we're talking about researching products, which is step 4, if you're working within a niche that you really know all the stuff anyway, there's a lot less research. And then the affiliate links is you'll be promoting the products, which is step 5, final step. But you can't get affiliate links if you don't have an affiliate account. How you do that is you go to the Amazon website, and I recommend starting with Amazon, not because it is the best or the most profitable. It may be, but I'm not claiming that it is. I'm not claiming it's the best. I'm not claiming it's the most profitable to start out with as an affiliate partner. I'm claiming it's one of the easiest to start out. As if you're a beginner, you haven't done affiliate yet, and they're trustworthy. You can trust Amazon as a company. You can trust them with your bank account number and all that kind of stuff if need be. You don't have to worry about giving them information. You can just dive right in and go ahead and start doing affiliate stuff with Amazon. I'm not saying they're going to give you the highest profit margins or anything like that. It's just very good to learn with somebody like Amazon. Now you see I'm scrolling all the way to the bottom of the page. You're going to need to do this. You're going to need to scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and then back up just a little bit. You see how I'm doing? And that's going to leave you with first this banner here. Don't touch back to the top. It'll take you all the way to the top. What you're looking for is these sections right here, the get to know us, make money with us, ding 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 ding. That looks interesting, doesn't it? So then you go down below that and you find it says become an affiliate. There is your gold mine right there, people. So at this point, you've been growing your audience and you've been doing all these other things, and you've been building a community, and you've been busting butt, and you've been doing it for months, and by now you're behind on your house payments, you're behind on your bills, the tires are bald on your car, your dogs are getting fleas, and you got to make some money. So hit that become an affiliate. It'll take you to a page where you fill in your personal information and all the other information that it wants. Just is pretty much just answer the questions and fill in the blanks. And once you've got the affiliate account, you're going to have a few more buttons on here than you do now. Buttons like I have, which will allow you to go through normally like you do. You're looking for the product that you want to buy or the product that you normally buy. And you pick something like that because you know it, you trust it, you know your customers are going to like it, and you pick something like that you actually use. Like, this is the mascara my wife uses. With Ken, it's going to be a saw blade. With my stuff, it's going to be a car part or a tool, some other car tool. And then you look up here and it says get link. You won't have this if you don't have an affiliate account, but once you get an affiliate account, you can hit text, and this is something Amazon didn't used to do, but they do now. It's easier now because they generate the link for you right there. And then you can just right click that with your mouse and then copy it and then paste it onto the description of your video. And once you've done that, you've got an affiliate link to put in the description of your video. And then when you're making your video, you can say, I've got this affiliate link in my video. I'll give you an example. I'm going to put a link in this video. Yes, I've been doing affiliate marketing for a while, and yes, I know quite a bit about it, and yes, I do make some money at it. So I'd have known about this before when I first started doing affiliate marketing. I could have just went to this one place, Affiliarama, and like I said, my link will be in the description. You click on that link, it'll take you right here, and you can just learn what you need to know to make probably even more money than I do on affiliate, and learn it faster than I learned it, and learn it faster than I could teach you. And I hope that helps you a great deal, and I hope you do start making more money at affiliate marketing than I do. And I hope you'll come back and make a comment or something. Let us know how it's going, and maybe even how much money you're making, or at least that you are making some money since you saw this video. Till the next video, we're wishing all our insane friends insane growth.
Hi, we're so glad you're here at Sane Enterprises.
This is Carol Sane.
And this is Victor Sane. Isn't he adorable? We're here to help you and the rest of the Sane community grow.
And we're going to have fun helping you celebrate your victories with the whole community.
Woohoo!
I guess by now you've noticed, we're not just another average self-improvement channel.
We're a community.
And how do they join this community?
That's easy. There's this red button right there.
And then what happens?
It turns green.
Green means go!
Oh, and they gotta hit the bell. Don't forget, they gotta hit the bell.
Before you go,
Hit that bell.
ding ding ding.